Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.99. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 5.08%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.73% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 21.29% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 9.64% to 59.09%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -12.90%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary between -71.14% and 88.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $6.31 to $41.23. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 183,000% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of June 2025. It rose from $21.84 to $21.88. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.69%, with a low of $21.50 and a high of $22.29. The stock has risen on 6 of the last 10 days, although it remains down by 12.09% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $172,031,000. It is worth noting that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 59.99%, or $32.80, below the 52-week high, and 72.44%, or $57.50, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, is making significant strides in the cryptocurrency space, with recent developments that could influence its stock performance. A division of the New York Stock Exchange has officially filed to list a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund linked to Trump's Truth Social platform, marking a strategic partnership with Crypto.com to expand digital asset offerings. This move comes as Bitcoin prices are experiencing upward momentum, attracting trader interest and heightening the potential for the ETF's market debut. Additionally, the company has successfully completed a private placement amounting to $2.44 billion, aimed at strengthening its financial foundation, including the establishment of a Bitcoin Treasury Reserve. This announcement could enhance investor confidence, potentially mitigating some of the volatility DJT shares have faced. Notably, a significant U.S. pension fund has recently acquired shares of D-Wave Quantum, indicating institutional interest in DJT, which might further solidify its stock stability in the short term. In the long term, the pivot towards cryptocurrencies may provide new revenue streams, appealing to a tech-savvy audience. As Bitcoin continues to gain traction across various sectors, Trump's association with the digital currency landscape could create additional upside for DJT shares, appealing to both retail and institutional investors seeking exposure to this emerging asset class. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $23.99. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $21.69. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 29, 2025, and so far it has risen by 5.04%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite the price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 80 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 75 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation identifies support from accumulated volume at $21.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.79 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.69%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can encounter difficult periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $22.87. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $21.49. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Yuhan sold 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Yuhan sold 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Yuhan sold 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Yuhan sold 248 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Analyzing the 68 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 20.977. In total, insiders acquired 226,177,920 shares and disposed of 115,937,448 shares in the last 68 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several negative signals, suggesting that its performance will likely remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of June, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by 12/100ths of a dollar and begin trading at $21.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.